Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Stature from bones. Skull and long bones are used for determining the stature. In the skull, height of the skull into 7 is um, is equal to the stature. Height of the skull into 7 is equal to stature. Length of the skull into 8 is equal to stature. Height of the skull is distance between the vertex of the skull and the chin is called height of the skull. Length of the skull is from glabella to the external occipital protuberance of the skull is called length of the skull.
thank you and thank you for watching.